Hi friends, welcome to WizBusters. I'm Emma and today we'll look at the replace function. Before we begin, don't miss out on all the newly published content, so be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified of the latest videos out. So what does the replace function do? The replace function replaces text in a string with another text you specified based on location. What does the function return? It returns the modified text, that is, the text after the specified change requested was made. But how do we use the replace function? To do this, we need to tell Google Sheets or Excel 4 things. 1. What text or string do we want to change? We often reference the cell of the string here. 2. The starting position of the text we want to search. 3. How many characters do we want to replace? 4. What is the text we want to replace the old text with? So these are the 4 parameters in the replace function. In Google Sheets, you will see replace, text, position, length, new text, while in Excel, you'll see replace, old text, start num cars, new text. So let's dive in and start using these in some examples. In this table, we have 3 different examples for which we want to use the replace function. For the first example, we want to replace the hyphen with a space. We can use the replace function to do this. So if we type equal replace, open parenthesis, we recall there are 4 parameters. Firstly, what text or string do we want to change? The string is in this cell, so we click this cell to reference this. The second parameter is asking the starting position of the text we want to search. Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4th position. So we type 4 as the starting position. Next, the third parameter is how many characters do we want to replace? We want to replace 1 character, which is the hyphen. So we type 1 as the third parameter. Now the 4th parameter is what is the text we want to replace the old text with. Since we want the hyphens to be replaced with a space, we simply type this in. What do we get? Notice that there are no more hyphens. We have a space instead. Let's take a look at the second example. The string is Mr. John Smith. The objective is to replace Mr. with nothing. So if we type the replace function equal replace, what do we want to replace? Which is the first parameter. We click this cell to reference it. The second parameter is asking for the starting position of the text we want to search. Well, we want to start from the first position as Mr. is at the beginning of the string, so we type in 1 here. Next, the third parameter is how many characters do we want to replace? Since we want to replace Mr. with a dot after, how many characters are those? We will do 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 characters. And the 4th parameter is new text. What do we want to replace it with? We don't want to replace it with anything, so we just put this. Now we've got John Smith, and Mr. is not there. Let's move on to another example. We've got a string here, and the objective is to replace the 6th, 7th, and 8th characters with ABC. Using the replace function, we type in equal replace. And the first parameter is what text we want to replace. We want to replace this text, which we reference. The position is the 6th, 7th, and 8th characters. So the starting position of the first character we want to replace is 6, so we type 6 here. And the third parameter is how many characters do we want to replace? Well, 6th, 7th, and 8th. Those are 3 characters we want to replace, so we type in 3. And the 4th parameter is what is the text we want to replace the old text with? Well, we want to replace it with ABC, so we type in ABC, and we close the function. Now we have ABC in the middle of our string instead of 294, which we had in the 6th, 7th, and 8th positions. Great. Before we leave, here are some important notes about the replace function. It replaces text with another text by using the location as parameters. This is different from replacing text using content as parameters. You can check out the video on the substitute function instead to learn more about the substitute function and replacing text based on content. There we go, my friends. That's it for today. Thank you again for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.